In this activity, students use distributive method to find the product of a given expression. 729 times 65 is the expression we picked, and now we will show this in distributive process. So I expand 729 in hundreds, tens, and ones times 60 plus 5. So let's show this here. 729 times 60 plus 5. Now we find the product of 760, 20 and 60, 9 and 60, 705, 20 and 5, 9 and 5. So 7 times 6 is 42, and then I add the 3 zeros here. So 700 times 60 is 42,000. 2 times 6 is 12, and then I add the 2 zeros, it's 1,200. 9 times 6 is 54, and then I add the 0 here. Now 700 times 5, 7 times 5, 35, and then bring those 2 zeros. 2 times 5 is 10, and bring that 0, 100. 9 times 5, 45. 700 times 60 is 42,000. 20 times 60 is 1,200. 9 times 60 is 540. Now 700 times 5 is 3,500. 20 times 5 is 100. 9 times 5 is 45. Now I add all these partial products to find the product of 729 times 65. So sum of the 6 products: 42,000, 12,000, 1,200, 540, this one, and 3,500, and then 145. So 0 plus 5 is 5, 4 plus 4 is 8, 13 plus 1, 3, 4, 6 is 7, and then 4 comes down. Product of 729 times 65, the product of 729 and 65 is 47,385. Directions help students follow, work on independently. Teacher exemplar sets expectations. answers, provide immediate feedback. And here is a sample. Students can refer to if they come across any difficulties.